Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Daud Kakar. Today we are going to discuss about words followed by prepositions. Lesson 37 Words followed by preposition. इस लेसन में हम उन 17 टाइप्स के वर्ड्स को देखते हैं जिनके बाद डिफरेंट prepositions का इस्तेमाल होता है. Number 1. The following nouns take the preposition for after them. इन nouns के बाद preposition for का इस्तेमाल होता है. Affection, ambition, anxiety, desire, esteem, fitness, fondness, guarantee, leisure, liking, match, motive, need, opportunity, partiality, passion, reputation, surety, etc. For example, his fitness for game is sure. Number 2. My passion for teaching is liked. Number 2. The following nouns take the preposition with after them. इन nouns के बाद फिर preposition with का इस्तेमाल होता है. Acquaintance, alliance, bargain, comparison, conformity, enmity, intercourse, intimacy, relations. For example, their alliance with enemies was detected. Your bargain with salesmen tired me. Number 3. The following nouns take the preposition of after them. इन nouns के बाद preposition of का इस्तेमाल होता है. Abhorrence, assurance, charge, distrust, doubt, experience, failure, observance, proof, result, want. For example, hard work is proof of success. Her success is result of hard work. Number 4. The following nouns take the preposition to after them. इन nouns के बाद preposition to का इस्तेमाल होता है. Attachment, attention, concession, disgrace, dislike, encouragement, enmity, exception, incentive, indifference, invitation, key, obedience, objection, obstruction, opposition, etc. For example, pay attention to what I say. Invitation to the party pleased him. Number 5. The following nouns take the preposition from after them. इन nouns के बाद preposition from का इस्तेमाल होता है. Abstinence, cessation, deliverance, descent, digression, escape, exemption, inference, respire. For example, Ali's escape from the event failed us. The firm needed exemption from tax. Number 6. The following adjectives and participles take the preposition to after them. इन adjectives और participles के बाद preposition to का इस्तेमाल होता है. Conducive, conformable, liable, limited, lost, loyal, material, natural, necessary, opposite, painful, partial, preferable, prior, profitable, related, relevant, etc. For example, prior to diagnosis, the doctor was called. Your question is relevant to the topic. Number 7. The following adjectives and participles take the preposition in after them. इन adjectives और participles के बाद फिर preposition in का इस्तेमाल होता है. Accomplished, accurate, assiduous, backward, correct, defective, deficient, experienced, enveloped, fertile, foiled, etc. For example, she was quite correct in answering. Our boss is experienced in management. Number 8. The following adjectives and participles take the preposition with after them. इन adjectives और participles के बाद preposition with का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Busy, compatible, complaint, consistent, contemporary, contented, contrasted, delighted, disgusted, drenched, endowed, fired, gifted, infected, infested, inspired, etc. For example, Akram is delighted with the gift. They were inspired with the guest speaker. Number 9. The following adjectives and participles take the preposition of after them. इन adjectives और participles के बाद preposition of का इस्तेमाल होता है. Afraid, comprehensive, apprised, assured, aware, bought, cautious, certain, characteristic, composed, confident, conscious, convicted, convinced, defrauded, deprived, desirous, etc. For example, the child is afraid of the dog. Are you certain of their arrival? Number 10. The following adjectives and participles take the preposition for after them. Preposition for का इस्तेमाल इन adjectives और participle के बाद होता है anxious, celebrated, designed, eligible, eminent, fit, good, grateful, notorious, prepared, proper, qualified, ready, sorry, sufficient, useful, zealous, etc. For example, they are anxious for entering the room. My friend is not prepared for test. 11. The following verbs take the preposition to after them. Preposition to का इस्तेमाल इन verbs के बाद किया जाता है. Adapt, adhere, allot, apologize, appoint, ascribe, aspire, attain, attend, attribute, belong, conduce, conform, consent, contribute, lead, listen, object, etc. For example, listen to the instructions carefully. This bag belongs to my teacher. 12. The following verbs take the preposition from after them. Preposition from का इस्तेमाल इन verbs के बाद करते हैं. Cease, derive, derogate, detract, deviate, defer, dissent, elicit, emerge, escape, exclude, preserve, prevent, prohibit, protect, recoil, recover, refrain, etc. For example, this word is derived from Latin language. Protect yourself from coronavirus. 13. The following verbs take the preposition with after them. Preposition with का इस्तेमाल इन verbs के बाद किया जाता है. Clash, coincide, comply, condole, cope, correspond, credit, disagree, dispense, fill, part, quell, etc. For example, your clash with the god delayed our work. Comply with the official order. 14. The following verbs take the preposition of after them. Preposition of का इस्तेमाल इन verbs के बाद करते हैं. Beware, boast, complain, despair, die, disapprove, dispose, divest, dream, heal, judge, taste, etc. For example, his dream of becoming doctor will come true. Beware of all the prevailing laws. 15. The following verbs take the prepositions for after them. इन verbs के preposition for का इस्तेमाल इन verbs के बाद किया जाता है. Care, feel, hope, mourn, pine, start, stipulate, wish, year, etc. For example, your care for children is appreciable. Always hope for the best. 16. The following verbs take the preposition in after them. Preposition in का इस्तेमाल फिर हम इन verbs के बाद करते हैं. Delight, employ, enlist, excel, fall, glory, increase, indulge, involve, preserve, persist, etc. For example, they were indulged in all evils. Try to excel in technology. 17. The following verbs take the preposition on after them. Preposition on का इस्तेमाल इन verbs के बाद किया जाता है. Decide, deliberate, depend, determine, embark, encroach, enlarge, impose, insist, resolve, etc. For example, the sons depend on their father. Don't insist on culturally disliked things. तो इस लेसन में हमने वर्ड्स के 17 टाइप्स को जाना कि उनके बाद डिफरेंट कौन कौन से प्रेपोजिशंस यूज होते हैं.